Hi everyone, my name's Stephen Winter, and I'm an author who challenged myself to read an indie book each week in 2025. And I thought this week it would be fun to do a video review, so I'm going to try that out. The book I just finished was Magic, Feared, and Furious by Chantel Burnham. I love this story. I'll try to keep the review short and sweet, but the story itself is fantasy, specifically folklore fantasy. So it takes place in a countryside village in Scotland, and it has the usual, it has witches and warlocks, curses, potions, druids, that sort of world. And I immediately stepped into it. I felt immersed in it. Really well done. The characters were super well developed. I cared for them. I rooted for them. That's not always an easy thing to achieve as an author, so bravo. And the story itself was, I feel like fantasy can sometimes be a bit streamlined, where you're along for the journey, but you almost know what to expect. And I felt like this story had a lot of twists and turns. I really, I'm not going to spoil anything, but there were some things that I did not expect, and I really, really enjoyed how it turned out. And so there's almost kind of a quasi mystery aspect to it that I really liked. And then the writing itself, professional, polished. The author clearly knows their trade really well. Just vivid, pointed writing. So well done there. I particularly like the dialogue. I actually usually don't like when authors write a lot of dialect into their dialogue to where you have sort of accents or different inflections. But there was this wonderful Scottish dialect that I legitimately caught myself reading out loud a couple times because it was just fun to sort of hear, and it flowed really well. And so I think that enhanced the story quite a bit. So yeah, that's it. Magic, Feared, and Furious. I loved it. If you like fantasy, specifically folklore fantasy, I promise you will enjoy this story. Yeah, until next week, peace and love.